scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Probability problems often look tricky, but you can solve this specific question in under 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps to find the correct answer. First, identify the probability of ordering a drink as 0.7 and the conditional probability of ordering dessert given a drink at 0.58. You got this. Next, multiply these values to find the probability that a customer orders both a drink and dessert, which equals 0.406. Boom, that is our joint probability. Finally, subtract this joint probability from the total drink probability to find the chance of ordering a drink but not dessert, resulting in 0.294. Let's go! Clear win! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the word not, always use conditional rules and subtract the joint probability correctly.